we are proud to announce that we have VEO 3.1 available in AgenticFlow. I have a video, so maybe let me play that and see how this goes. Okay, let me scroll this back to here. I will share this tab instead on YouTube so that you can see, and I will play that.
Have you guys checked out VEO 3.1 first last frame to video on AgenticFlow? It's incredible.
All right. So that's pretty much the 8-second video that we was creating with VEO 3 on these women. I will going to show you like what is that, how this video have been created. But firstly, let's watch on over the news on Google, and let's see on their blog what do they have. Okay, let me just share this tab so that you can see. So this is the blog post from Google. They was released less than 2 weeks ago. So they are announcing this one. So let's play this video to having everyone understanding. Okay. If you have any question, you can also just leaving the message into the group. Okay. Let me play the video.
This is VEO, the video generation model designed for creativity. New enhanced capabilities give you control like never before. Let's take a look. You can use a reference image, a location, a character, object, or a combination. VEO puts them together into a fully formed scene, complete with sound.
Hello, is anybody here?
Great moments don't need to end. You can extend your clips and transform any shot into a full scene. And for ultimate narrative control, define the start and end points of your shot. VEO bridges them with epic transitions. You can also reimagine any shot by adding or removing elements, from subtle details to impossible objects. VEO matches scale, lighting, and shadow for seamless results. All this with astonishing detail, real-world physics, and cinematic outputs. Bring it all to life with audio, using sound effects, ambient noise, and dialogue.
Just gotta listen.
Push creativity to new limits with VEO.
Yes, so that is the new feature of VEO 3. And what they are introducing is the ability to merge different image into one single video. So they call this ingredient to video. The second one that they're introducing is the longer video. So as you can see, like previous video, right, they only having like 8 seconds. But what if we need a like 1 minute video? What can we do? So they are announcing like the scene extension video so that you can extend that unlimited. And finally is they allows you to control the video with first frame and last frame. So that is also the one that we was using to create the first video that I was showing you. It is currently available in AgenticFlow for these two like ingredient to video and also scene extension. It will be available in the next iteration of AgenticFlow. Alright, so let me show you on how we are creating the video that I showed you earlier. Okay, let's share this tab. So the original one is we're creating by a prompt, like a woman look at the camera, breathe in, then calmly, energetically say, have you guys check out the blah blah in AgenticFlow? Is incredible. And we was receiving like the first frame, which is the women like this, and also the last frame with the woman that wearing a hat. And actually these two images were creating by Nano Banana, of course. And then we just run the video, and then it's outputting into the video that you just seen. Then let me go into the build tab so that you can see what is it in place. So for the user input is basically there's a prompt, a woman look into the camera, breathe in, then exclaim and energetically saying. So you can put this one in a message in a double quote so that VEO 3 actually detecting this one and then can just say it. Okay, the first frame, so you can using the text like the image URL to URL, and you select an image here, and you can put the last frame is another image to URL. You select a second frame, and then when you go into this workflow action of the video, please remember to select the generate VEO video. So you can go here in new step if you don't have that, and search for VEO, and then there will be a button that say generate VEO in here. So the first time when you are creating that, it will asking you to add a connection. So make sure you add a PixelML connection, and then you can select the model from here. So this one is like familiar with everyone before when we adding VEO 3 and VEO 3 fast. So right now we are having VEO 3.1 and VEO 3.1 fast as well. And this model will allow you to passing the prompt so that you can select the prompt by pressing hashtag, or you can choose the aspect ratio, or you can choose the like either is it 1080p or 722p, and allow adult or not. Number of video, maximum can be 4. And then you can do the input image URL as a reference, or you can do the last frame of the video as well. So if you come back into this one, you will see that I was enable the input image URL for the first frame. So you switch on and then you just select the first frame from user input. And for the last frame is also the second one as well. So basically that's how you configure that up. And when you are already done that one, you just go in here and then you can just click run, and then it will start to cooking and also starting to run. So you can safely leave this page and you can go to history and you can see that the job have been created by today as 9:14, and then it's going to be a few minutes until it's done. Alright, so that is quite simple. So that is how you can use a VEO3 into AgenticFlow. We are going to show you how to using VEO3 in Agent as well, but it's going to be combination of the next introduction that I'm going to show you. Okay. So regarding the cost of this one, so VEO3 is coming with the pricing is for the standard, it is 0.4 per second. And the fast version is 0.15 per second. So that is going to be exactly the same with VEO3, and then you can use this. And if you can use via PixelML Open Router, we will just pass through the cost to you directly from Google, so that you can just using that for convenience. Okay, right. So I think that is the first announcement on VEO 3.1. I'm going to Discord if you have any question. Oh, really? Cannot hear the audio. Oh shit. I was speaking to myself like on 10 minutes. Let me quit again. Anton, I'm going to respond to your question a bit later. Let me go back into Discord first. Sorry about that. This happened again and again. I don't know why. Even I have quit Discord before going to this stream, but it's still having problem. But anyway, so just really quick recap. Okay. So VEO 3.1 is available in AgenticFlow. The first feature available is the controlling your video with first and last frame is already available, so you can try. And for the next feature, like ingredient to video and scene to video extension, you can use that in the next iteration. So we will release subsequently in 1 or 2 weeks. The pricing is standard at $0.4 per second or fast at 0.15 per second. So exactly the same pricing on Google when they're putting on their website, as you can see in here. Pricing, yeah, the price is the same with VEO3. You can click here. So you can see here. So this is the price that Google charged us. So we will just pass through that cost to you via PixelML Open Router. All right. And for those that not yet able to see how this workflow is working, let me walk through very quickly again. So the input is a prompt, and the first frame is the image that you create. The last frame is the second image that you can create with Nano Banana. And then when you go into VEO3, you just make sure that you select the connection, you select the model by the fast because it's cheap and better. And also you just mapping the prompt in the user input, choosing the aspect ratio and the resolution. And finally is you mapping the first frame and last frame into this field, input image URL and also last frame URL. And basically it. And then you just press run and it's output here. And just copy this URL and you are good to go. So this is how you use a VEO 3.1 in workflow. Okay, let me go back to Discord. Yeah, the question from Scorpio in Discord is that what is the problem with PyTream? Is slow connection every 2 to 3 hours, causing too many issues with agent? I think they have a change in their protocol, and I think this is not stable at the moment. So I would suggest that you can stick with Composure. You can try it, and we will spend some time next week in order to investigate what is the bug from their side, and we will implement a fix if it's already solved. Okay. Yeah, and I hope that it will be solved soon. Yeah, the Discord is sometimes it's problem, but maybe next time I have to double check with everyone if you can hear me on this one again. All right, let me go to YouTube because I think I have a question. Yeah, thanks God, you can hear me. How can we use VEO3 to combine scene in AgenticFlow or we use Google Studio for that. Let me go back into our AgenticFlow and let me share my screen again. So if you go into our multi-agent, and there will be a video MAS. Okay, for example, like this two, this is the workflow that we currently have. So we will have an agent that doing the let me walk you through on this one. So this is an agent. The first agent is doing the video script generator. So basically this agent is doing the script generation, and this agent is doing the start frame generator. This agent is doing the prompt generator. This agent is doing the output of the video, and we actually creating a action that to okay. So we have a workflow we call is Ricardo video combine. So this is kind of like a workflow that we use to combine two video together. So this is a built-in action of AgenticFlow. Maybe at the moment it's not showing up into your workflow yet, but we can also make it available so that it can combine multiple video clips together, that you can create a longer video from maybe multiple generation of the video. For example, this one is using 5 times of the VEO 3, and it finally combined into a very longer video. Yeah. So I hope that is answering to your question. I think if you go into this one, you can check if we have other plugin in here as well.